What's up my Pugnios? Andy with Tech Influence here, excited to go over the bamboo veneer case from the folks at Mous. They have walnut and bamboo. It's a great way here to be able to accentuate your lifestyle with an awesome veneer bamboo or walnut for your iPhone 16 Pro. This is encased in their Limitless 6.0 technology, including AeroShock for your corners, a sturdy rugged case made of polycarbonate material, and scratch resistance that just looks great in the hand while still being able to give you full functionality of the phone. With that said, before we jump into it here, the folks at Mous provided this to me complimentary and sponsored this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability that we go over here today. Let's go and unbox this, demonstrate it, and show you this awesome bamboo case that I highly recommend. Let's go over the wood grain cases. I've got the bamboo for the 15 Pro Max. I've got the bamboo for the 16 Pro. Bamboo is so clean. I think it's gonna work really well with my natural titanium color. It's built with Limitless 6.0 technology, which we'll go over, but there it is. It's lightly oiled, so it's gonna be able to protect the grains while giving you scratch resistance and just this really clean look in the hand. I like how white it is. You can see the really beautiful bamboo color that it opts into while gluing it and shrouding it in this Limitless 6.0 technology. The Limitless 6.0 gives you an ergonomic grip. It's got these extra corner protection that is infused with AeroShock technology. It's got some cushioning on the backside with this soft microfiber material. And the 6.0 technology reduces its thickness by 25%, giving you a little bit over 2 millimeters of thickness, but still maintaining that best-in-class protection. AeroShock technology is like this rubber technology in the corners that gives you that cushioning. You can also see that it's made out of high-quality polycarbonate material that is nice and thick, giving you a good rigidity for your phone. Placing it in here for the first time, as you can see, it's got a forehead and a chin here to give you protection in the event that it falls on its face. I can totally tell they've reduced the thickness around the edges, which is nice. It doesn't push up against your screen protector. I've got a tempered glass screen protector here from Mous, which is nice. My only issue here is that they have this large cutout from the camera control button. You still have full functioning of it. Let's go ahead and activate it, and you can still zoom in and take pictures as needed, but having a large cutout here reduces your protection. You got your wrist strap. Buttons are nice and clicky, cutouts for the IO on the bottom, volume rocker, action button, you name it. And look at that. I really like how that bamboo looks juxtaposed against my natural titanium. It's just really clean and it just looks so good in the hand. I like that. You can see the walnut variant here for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which I reviewed in a different video. But they just do a great job hand-picking the wood here and placing it there on your phone. It's MagSafe capable, so if you wanted to throw something like this charging puck on there, ESR has this charging puck that I like to use, 15 watts. Otherwise, you can use this portable battery from Anker. It's their 621. It's my favorite go-to, lightweight, 5,000 milliamp battery at 5 watts, giving you a extended charging if you're traveling. Otherwise, if you wanted to make content, use the SnapGrip from ShiftCam. I like their SnapGrip Pro. It's got a 5,000 milliamp battery with 15 watts improved charging. They've got a nice shutter button here to add to your camera control button as well. I like that. Really clean in the hand. Nice to use with all of their accessories here. As you can see, over time here, it's been about a week or so since I got in the case, and it's awesome. I really like how it looks. It shimmers, it's scratch resistant. It's got the AeroShock 6.0 technology, giving you a 25% thinner case while still maintaining that high quality, very durable and protective case. The AeroShock technology is great with the added corners around the edges. This is just really sleek in the hand and nice to be able to have as your go-to everyday carry. With that said, the folks at Mous did provide this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. I'll have links to all the products down below in the description here if you're interested. It does help out the channel. Thanks for watching. Andy with Tech Influence. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.